Hello friends, this is Anand Pai from Academy in Pursuit of Engineering Excellence. Now we will do problem 2 on acceleration. Now when you say acceleration, the velocity is v is equal to u v w, ui vi vj plus wk. When you differentiate with respect to time, the velocity you get acceleration, and since velocity is a function of x, y, z and t, the acceleration will come in this format where ax, ay, az is so big, okay, has temporal and convective part. Now let us solve this problem. The problem, this problem has appeared in GATE XE 2012. The problem is like this. The velocity in a one-dimensional unsteady flow is given by x square minus t, where x is the position and t is the time. The total acceleration at any x and t is given by. Now here, one thing we have to understand here is this. Now here velocity is actually equal to x square minus t, but what is the direction? Since it is one dimensional, I can take it as I. That means my u is actually equal to x square minus t. Since u is equal to x square minus t, and acceleration vector is actually equal to ax I, because I don't have any other thing here, okay. Ay cannot come, az cannot come, okay. So now this ax in one dimensions, unsteady one dimensions, can be written as dou u by dou t plus u into dou u by dou x. Now what is dou u by dou t? It is minus 1. U is x square minus t, and dou u by dou t is 2x. So the answer what we get is minus 1 plus minus 2xt plus 2x cube. So the answer is D. Thank you very much, students.